Did you hear it?
I did.
Oh!
Yes.
All right.
What's that?
Go hard. That's it.
Oh,
Got it.
aim up a little bit higher.
Oh, I hit it! Yes!
Let's be careful. Go the other way. Aim up just a little bit higher. There you go. Oh,
Got it.
that's it, Sherry.
I'm gonna get this
If
view.
you put some bullets over here.
Oh, Larry's about to
Yeah, excuse me.
friendly fire.
I'm getting the winning shot. Okay.
Aim higher.
Got the winning shot, baby. Baby, I got the winning shot. But it's fun cleaning your house.
All right. Go ahead and fire away, guys. Si's getting down there.
Oh, it was good.
You can scoot back, Si. Scoot back a little bit. Back further.
That one. Woo. Addison barely tapped the pole and it counted, I think.
Oh, nice shot.
Silas, we feel bad for you.
There's a whole bunch on the floor.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh, Si.
I hit it.
Yeah,
It's 5,
She hit that thing here.
4,
Oh, I hit it.
3, 2,
Sorry, Si, I'm hitting open.
1. One more. Come on, one more hit.
Who's got it?
Me. Probably got stuck.
Go on.
One, guys.
Got it.
There it is.
Let me see your face.
It literally totally this.
Silent, I promise.
It all messed my mouth.
It'll be funny. It'll be
all
funny
missed
if
my
there's
mouth.
a
It
ton.
all missed your mouth.
Yeah.
Here's the shooting birthday cake, interactive birthday cake, exploding birthday cake, whatever you want to call it. Set up before we make the cake today. This is going to be a tank cake. This will be the tank barrel. Tank will be built around this. Anyways, air hose goes down in there. Before we take the top off, let's look at the back. The back is where we have the connections. On and off switch here. Okay, air source connects into here, and then we'll see. This is the vibration hit sensor, and this is the display and LED, which is all inside. So let's pop the top off, and see we got a quick connect there into that hose, which connects into our solenoid here, and we've also got the quick connect on the outside, and that's where we connect our air source. Well, here is the inside. I have everything packed inside here for now. So this is our quick connect air source. So right now this is all external. We could package all this internally, and this right now, you could plug this into any, like a paintball CO2. I actually have an adapter on here so you can use the small 12 gram CO2s like you buy at Walmart. Anyways, and that lasts for like, I don't know, maybe 20 shots, 20 bursts there. And then in here, we have our vibration sensor. That little thing on the back there is actually the vibration sensor. It's a piezoelectric vibration sensor. And I had a Cabela's gift card. Why is this a Cabela's gift card for the Target? I had an old gift card. I cut it and I taped it on here just to try it out. And my son won't let me change it for his birthday. He really wants a Cabela's gift card as the Target. I had elaborate ideas for what the Target could actually look like, but anyways, that's what he wants. And then here is the box, the display, and it's actually the box the solenoid came in with black duct tape around it is all it is. And there's little, so actually if I open this up inside of here, you can kind of see there's the 7-segment display, backpack, and the LED wires going down in there. And I don't think you'll be able to see it, but there's little magnets down in there that just connect the kind of, oh, little Snapdragon that are supposed to kind of hold it onto there. Okay, I've got my magnets back in place, and there you go. So it's not super sturdy, but it's enough to hold it on there. And more importantly, in here we have the Arduino. Obviously this is the microcontroller that's controlling it all. I've got a little 9-volt battery hooked up there to power it. The on and off switch, which you saw from the outside here, also has a little LED to show you that it's on. Solenoid, this is where things get a little complicated. Of course, we have the wires coming out here. It's a mess. I need to straighten that up a little bit, but this all goes to the 7-segment display and the LED. Okay, those two. Over here, we got the wires that go to the vibration sensor. What I have here is just a little PCB where I soldered the transistor. The transistor is required to activate the solenoid. See, the solenoid requires like a 12-volt power source, and so there's my little 12-volt battery. That 12-volt battery comes in and connects into here, and then this has wires that go out to the solenoid. But since it's a 12-volt, requires a 12-volt source, I needed a transistor so my Arduino can basically energize the transistor to allow the 12 volts to flow through to the solenoid. There's also connections on here to manage my hit detection sensor. So basically you just have to have a little resistor between the piezoelectric vibration sensor. That is on here as well. And then there's a common ground that they both use, the vibration sensor and the transistor for the solenoid. So anyways, so that's just little component soldered together out up there, and then you got the wires going there. So that is it.
There.
Don't hit me.
Scoot back side, scoot back a little bit. Haley, back scarier than
That
people.
one. Woo! Addison barely tapped the pole and it counted, I think.
Hitting Silas in the head.
Silas, we feel bad for you.
Oh my goodness.
Other side.
Oh,
Are they doing it?
Yeah, it's 5.
She gets that thing every
4.
time.
Not all 3.
2.
sorry, I'm
Don't open it.
1. One more. One more, guys. One more. Who's got it?
probably got stuck. Come on.
One, guys.
Got it.
There it is.